Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Anne.
What did it do?
So small. I have said thank you to everybody for the trip, but I'm really, really, really thankful. I can't thank people enough, and I can't thank anything enough. It made me really realize what it is to have a country, to have your people, to be among your people. We're leaving Kurdish ground, traveling with this khala and this beautiful girl. Okay, this is the last supper. I promise. I promise. Ori, ori, kuchi, 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 kuchi.
First one boarding the plane. I'm not excited to go back, but everything has to come to an end sometime.